subscribe. Here we go. Like, how to create a MI in Linux using AWS. Click on Launch Instance. Enter name for instance. By default, MI is Linux. So, scroll down. Create new key pair. Enter key pair name. Make sure to select .ppk. Click on Create key pair. Now scroll down. Click on Launch Instance. Wait for some time. Successfully initiated Linux instance. Scroll down. Click on View All Instance. Now refresh. Still status check shows -2 halves check passed. Two has check passed successfully. Copy public IP for address. Open PuTTY. Now paste public IP. Now go to left tab. Click on SSH. Click on Auth. Click Credentials. Now select Private Key File by clicking Browse. Click on Open. Click Accept. Now enter IC2 user. Now Amazon Linux opens. Now create a file in Linux system. Command for creating folder, vector AMI image. Now to open directory, command is ls. So now the directories folder is open now. Type exit to go back. Now close Linux terminal and open AWS dashboard. Due to technical issue, one-step video is not recorded. Click on Actions. No worries, I will guide you. Greater than create image and templates. Greater than create image. Enter image name. Description is optional, only for reference. Now scroll down to end. Click on Create Image. Now image backup of machine is successful created. Now click on MS. Our AMI name is AMI Linux image copy. Select our MS and refresh. Still status shows available. Now status, available. Now go back to instance page. Now select the instance and terminate instance. Successfully instance terminated. Refresh till instance state shows terminated. Now click on MS. Selected image you wanted to launch. Click on Launch Instance from AMI. Enter instance name of your wish. Now scroll and go to key pair. Don't click on Create New Key Pair. Select the key pair name which you create for previous instance. Select Linux Mickey. Scroll down. Click on Launch Instance. Scroll down. Click on View All Instance. Now select the instance. Refresh it again and again till status check show. 2/2 check passed. Two halves checks passed successfully. Now copy the public IP. Open PuTTY. Now paste public IP in it. Now go to left Click tab. On SSH. Click on Auth. Click Credentials. Now select Private Key File by clicking Browse. Click on Open. Click Accept. Now enter IC2 user. Now to check whether our old directory enter is command there. ls. We can see the old instance. So, we have successfully completed AMI. Now enter exit and close. Subscribe. Thanks for watching.